Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain Java software path setting at the command prompt. Java software nothing but Java Development Kit. In short form, we are calling JDK. The JDK path at the command prompt I am going to show in this video. After installation of Java software, at the command prompt, if you type Java C, you'll get this error. Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file, because Java C available in bin folder in JDK. JDK by default installed in C drive program files Java folder. If you write Java C in C drive, Java C if you write in C drive, it will search for Java C in C drive only. Wherever you write Java C, there only operating system will search. But Java C not available here. Java C available in bin folder. That is the reason we need to set the path up to bin folder. Then only operating system will search for Java C in bin folder and it takes Java C, that command runs. So we need to set the path up to bin folder. Say our Java software installed in C drive, here program files, here Java folder. In Java folder, JDK 14.0.1, that is version. In JDK bin folder. In bin folder, Java C is present. So we need to set the path up to here. Then operating system will search for Java C in a bin folder. It takes Java C, that command it will run. See how to set the path. Set path equal to percentile path percentile in double quotes dot semicolon C colon slash program files Java JDK hyphen 14.0.1 slash bin. In my system, JDK 14.0.1 version installed. That is the reason I am writing JDK 14.0.1. First of all, you check in your system C drive program file Java folder, which version installed. That version you have to write. After that, bin will be common for any version. Okay. Now, this is called path setting at the command prompt. What is that? I'll explain. Before going to that, I'll execute Java C. You observe Java C. Now path settled successfully. Once you are getting these all options means Java path is settled properly. Now whatever I given path setting, in that path setting each and every word I'll explain. See here, this set path, it is a command. It is a command and it is used to set the path. It is a command and it is used to set the path. It is append mode. It is an append mode. Append mode means in our system so many other softwares are present. Those software's path also present. For those software paths, this path is appended. If if you write like this. That's what it is called append mode. Always this is recommended, because if you don't write this, other softwares may or may not work. That is the reason this is recommended to write always. From here to here, location of Java software. This is Java software. It is called as Java software. This bin, it contains all JDK tools. Examples: Java C, Java, Java P, etc. If you want to use Java C, if you want to use Java, if you want to use Java P, this path setting is compulsory. Without setting the path, if you use not recognized, error comes. Say set path, it is a command and it is used to set the path. This is append mode. If you write like this, this path is appended to existed path. If you don't write this, Java software works, but other softwares may or may not work. Okay, I'll show you append mode concept also. See, path, if you write all softwares path, what are the path softwares already path settled? Those all softwares path displayed. See, whatever I written just now, Java software path, at the end it is displayed. So these all softwares path already exist. For that, this is appended. If you don't write append mode, what will happen? See, set path equal to C drive, program files, Java, JDK -14.0.1/bin semicolon. After that, if you observe path, see, only Java path appears. Okay, on these path settings, it is overridden. That is the reason always append mode is recommended. Always this type of path setting only recommended. Okay, this is the path setting at the command prompt. Now this path, even on Windows 7 operating system or Windows 10 operating system or Windows 8 operating system, on any operating system, at the command prompt path setting is same. That can be 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. At the command prompt, all Windows versions, all software path setting same type appears. Okay, for getting more information on Java, you refer my blog Java by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com. This is my blog. For getting more information on Java, you visit my blog.